Championship belt. Ric Flair versus the Ultimate Warrior. This feud been going on for them for the last few weeks. But tonight they will meet up. And as you can see, the WWF World Heavyweight Championship is on the line. And these guys will collide at South next. And let's get ready to take it to the ring. And there go the Nature Boy, styling and profile. And just look at that jacket. You see the Nature Boy is getting warmed up. And he waiting for Ultimate Warrior. There go Ultimate Warrior. And he's coming down to the ring. And he looks at Nature Boy. Yeah. And Ric Flair looks on. Ric Flair concentrating on his match. And this is for the WWF Championship. Ric Flair been helping out Triple H lately. But this ain't gonna stop Ultimate Warrior for tearing him apart. I face Ultimate Warrior by himself. And he hesitating to get closer to the Ultimate Warrior. He ties it up. He throws. Oh my goodness. He just embarrassed Ric Flair by throwing him in the corner. Oh, and Ultimate Warrior with the strength, showing it off. Like, come on. And the Nature Boy looks on. Back in the corner. Oh, 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 oh. And a chop. And another chop. Just pissed Ultimate Warrior off. And Ric Flair trying to bag away. And a clothesline by the Ultimate Warrior. Except the Nature Boy. And a shoulder block. Ric Flair slides out the ring. Flair leaving out of the ring. He trying to get some breather. Go back to the ring. Ric Flair backs away. And he jumps over. He goes after Ric Flair. Ric Flair running. He slides back out of the ring. Warrior still trying to get up. Oh. Ultimate Warrior raised up. Flair backs in the corner. And Ric Flair rake in the eye. Oh my goodness, he rakes him in the eye. And Ultimate Warrior can't see. That's why they call him the dirtiest player of the game. Woo! Woo! He's strutting across the ring. Woo! Ultimate Warrior trying to get up. Oh, in the back of the legs. Ric Flair proud of himself. Ultimate Warrior trying to get back up. Oh, another chop block. Oh, another chop block in the leg. Ultimate Warrior still trying to stand. Nature Boy scouting him out. Oh, clap. And another clap in the leg. Oh, he taking off. And another clap in the leg. Ultimate Warrior refuses to go down. Ric Flair looking like what he gotta do next. And again, oh, another chop block gets him down. And Ric Flair slides on his side. Ric Flair going on the outside. Got Ultimate Warrior legs. Oh, against the ring. And again, oh, against the ring post again. Oh, Ultimate Warrior in a lot of pain. Ric Flair on the end of the apron. Oh, on the end of the leg. Oh my. Ric Flair slides back in the ring. And a knee on the top of the head. Oh, and again. Oh. 1, 2, and he kicks out. Oh, and a chop. Oh, and another chop. Oh, and another chop. It's not phasing Ultimate Warrior. Oh. 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 Ultimate Warrior struggling to stand. Ric Flair see it. Oh, and another chop. And Ultimate Warrior trying to get away from Ric Flair. Drift of the Ultimate Warrior. Oh, against the turnbuckle. Oh, oh, and Ultimate Warrior is juiced up low. Oh, 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 oh. And Ric Flair throws him on the outside. This is a no disqualification match. And a drop kick catches him on a ring apron. Warrior. And a flying shoulder block clothesline. Look at the strength of the Ultimate Warrior. Says he won in the ring fair and square, and now he throws him back in the ring. He on top of the ropes. And oh, he went against the... Oh, knocked down the Ultimate Warrior. A veteran move by Ric Flair. Both men up top. Ugh. And Warrior with an axe handle on her head. That was like a clothesline. Yeah, the Ultimate Warrior in rage. You know what this means. And what Hunter Hearst Helmsley doing out here? His match ain't until later. And look at him coming down here. And Ultimate Warrior sees him. He try to grab Triple H.